Welcome to Xmlgold. In the video, we'll explain how to buy USDT TRC20 with perfect money. Let's begin. Once you're on the Xmlgold site, scroll down and here from the buy section, go to perfect money and choose USDT TRC20 from here. Now enter the amount you need. Click on exchange to buy. You'll see the current currency rate, Xmlgold fee, and the indicated USDT fee. Then provide your email and provide your TRC20 wallet address. Agree to the terms and conditions, and if you're not a USA resident, check the box. Once all is done, click on Continue. Now, continue with your perfect money account. Then make the payment process. That's it for this tutorial. You learned successfully how to buy USDT TRC20 with perfect money. Thank you for choosing Xmlgold.